today I'm going to show you my Lego fidget spinner. And it is not a fidget cube. It is a fidget spinner. Okay. Here's what it looks like. So basically you just need to hold your hand here and then spin it like this. Do this. The real one could spin it faster. The real one, I think it has 3 points. Yeah. But yeah. I don't have the real one. I just have the Lego, and I really like it. It's just cool, and you know why I like it, right? Because when I am boring, I would just play with it like this. Just watch. And when I'm sad, I could just play with it to calm down. Yeah. So yeah, you could do it with your left hand. There. Oops. Okay, there. Yeah, so yeah, that's my little fidget spinner. Okay, so yeah, this is my little fidget spinner, and this is my first one I designed. The first one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can make a tutorial for this. I think next day or something. Yeah. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and yeah.